Hello, friends. We're doing a ship with me today because I actually have a few sales that need to go out. I was waiting for today to ship these items out because I only have smaller poly mailers and I needed to order larger ones. I've never ordered this size of poly mailer because I usually would just put things into USPS boxes, the priority mail boxes. Since we can't do that anymore and I'm still waiting for the ground advantage stuff to come in, I decided to order these larger poly mailers to do like some of the purses and larger clothing items, because especially coming into winter, if I am going to do any clothing, it's going to be sweaters and jackets and like more bulkier items. So I needed to have larger poly mailers. So I ordered these, which I could have sworn they were like more blue, but it's coming off as more gray. These are, what size are these? I want to say these are like 19 by 24. So they are pretty large, but they are going to get the job done. So I already told you about one of the Doc Martens that sold and the Quince jacket, but we do have to ship those out today. I didn't have anything that was going to fit this. I still don't have anything right now for the shoes. I'm gonna have to figure that out and maybe go to one of my business neighbors and see if they have any small boxes I can reuse, because even though I got the confirmation that they received my order for the ground mail, I haven't gotten any other updates. So not sure when that's gonna arrive. This is so big. It makes me think of like when I worked in other retail stores, specifically like shoe stores, because this is the kind of size poly mailers we would ship things in. Oh, look at that. Easy peasy. Okay, let me see. Usually when I'm doing like a video like this, I write what the item is on the back of the label, but that's it. There you go. That one's ready to go. The other one that I was going to put in this is this purse. So this purse sold today. It actually sold right away, and it was an outright buy. This is Portland Leather Goods, which is what, like my third Portland leather thing that's sold? Fourth Portland leather thing that's sold. I think I have actually a couple more purses in my store that I'm gonna get listed. This one sold for $75, and this is what she looks like. She is one of their like almost perfect. So if you guys are not familiar with Portland leather, they have these like almost perfect sales where they have on like a discounted price the same bags, but there might be like a minor little thing that's different. So I think this was part of their sale, and I don't think it's a super popular color. I mean, like they didn't make a lot of it, so it's not rare, but like sought after. So this sold here for $75. I'm just gonna do the same thing and stick it in a poly mailer and send it out. But this makes shipping so much easier. And also, if a package is a poly mailer, it is way more likely that the postman will pick it up versus if it's in a box, because he does 2 rounds. His first round is deliveries, and that's when he will drive around with his truck. And then he does like package deliveries for that. And he'll pick up my boxes if I have them ready at that time. And then the second time he comes around, he's walking on foot, and he only will pick up poly mailers because that's all that will fit in his bag. And he won't pick up a lot. It'll only take him if I have a couple of them. Totally fair. He has to walk a lot and has a lot already in his bag. So I get it. But anyway, if it's a poly mailer, it's more likely he can like shove it into his bag. So 2 down. This next one is another one that sold really quickly. I actually listed this one and the other purse yesterday, and they sold so fast. And it's this little Coach wristlet. We got this in with that consignment lot with the other purses, if you guys remember. I have these small clear poly mailers that I like to use when the items fit. I should get bigger like clear ones for those ones as well, but until then, this will do. And I'm going to stick it in here. This will have these little ones. This sold for $35. Also a buyout, right? So I don't know. Am I pricing my stuff too low? You know, I don't want to think of it that way. I don't want to think that I'm pricing things too low, because then I get into like the greedy side of it. I would just like to think that I priced it perfect, and I'm happy that it's out. So we're going to keep that mindset. The rest of the items I'm not going to be able to ship right now because I just don't have the boxes, but I wanted to get this video filmed for you guys, so I'm just going to show you. These just sold like maybe an hour ago. These are Madewell, and I did list these during this challenge. They're size 6.5, and these sold for $30. They sold by offer. I think I had them listed for $40, and I just accepted the $30 offer. And then the other one that sold are these Doc Martens. Another pair of Doc Martens sold. So that's our second pair of Doc Martens so far during this challenge. And these sold for $60. Another offer. Let me see. I haven't even looked to see if any of these sales have been made from Promoted Closet. I don't think so. Yeah, no, nothing. So I spent $10 and I had 1,384 impressions, 42 clicks, 0 listings sold. I don't know. Is it helping? Maybe, but I'm going to try it again. I'll keep the Promoted Closet going the whole time I'm doing this challenge, but I don't know if it's really that helpful for my closet. I think the best thing you can do is list things that people want. And I have been doing my research before I'm doing listing, just making sure that I'm listing things that are currently selling. So I'm going to do that right now, actually. Let's look on Poshmark and just see what is trending right now. So today, luxury living, elevate your style with timeless luxury pieces. So it's a lot of purses, Celine, Chloe, Alaya, Miu Miu, Balenciaga, Fenty. I don't have any of that. I don't have any designer stuff, but I am probably just going to go and look through what other purses I have. Purses have also been selling a lot in the store these last couple days. So I'm really hoping that my purse dealer will come and bring me more purses soon. So after these sales, my total balance that I've made from this challenge is $694.40. We're very happy with that. I think just today I made over $100, which I don't remember what our goal is, but yes, I made 125. Yesterday we made 135. The day before that we made 0 sales. So honestly, like besides the other day when we made 0 sales, almost all of our sales days have been over $100, which is great, especially coming from somebody who has not been listing a lot on Poshmark. Happy with these results and happy with the momentum we're seeing. And I'm just going to keep trucking along and see how far we can get. We're at essentially $700 for this challenge. We'd still need $1,800 to reach our goal, and there's 5 days left of the month. So is that going to happen? Probably not, but regardless, I am happy with this, and I just want to see what else we can do. If anybody's watching this and you have experience with live selling right now, like talk me out of it or talk me into it. What should I do? You know what? I actually want to put this in your guys' hands. Should I go live or not? Should I try to do a live sale or not? I want you guys to, I don't know if I could put a poll somewhere. Maybe I'll put a poll like on my YouTube like community part. I will listen. If you guys say yes, I will do it. If you guys say no, then I will just stick to listing and trying to make money this way. But yeah, let me know, because I haven't done a live sale in a really long time. I used to do them when I was in my original location and it was really, really slow. I would just do shop my store sales and have people put up requests while I was live, and they'd be like, okay, I'm looking for jeans in this size. So I'd go to that section of my store and show them what jeans we had available. I'm not able to do that now when we're open. So it would have to be like after hours or on a day that we're closed, which the only day we're closed is Sundays. But I'm willing to try. If that helps even get a couple more sales, it's not going to hurt anything. If anything, I'll just learn that that's not for me or that it's not a good idea. I'm going to let you guys decide. Tell me, should I do it or should I not do it? Today is Friday, so I'm going to post this today, and then if I am going to do a live sale, it will probably be either Sunday or Monday. So you have a couple days to let me know if this is what I should do or not. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later.